Good morning, students.
Good
How
morning,
are you all?
students.
Welcome
How are
to
you all?
computer class.
Welcome to
Today
computer
we
class.
are going to continue
Today
our
we are
chapter
going to
number
start
4,
our
queries,
chapter number
forms,
5, more
and
on
reports.
PowerPoint.
In our previous video,
Let's
we
start
did
with
learn
hard
about
words.
queries,
Cells means
creating
a
a
rectangular
relationship
box
among
formed
tables,
by the
and
intersection of rows and
creating
columns.
a
Table.
query in
It
a
is a
design
grid made
view.
of row
Then
and
we did
column.
learn about the query
Animation,
window
a
and
process
using
when
queries. Now today we are going to learn about specifying multiple criteria. Means we can give more than one criteria. So let's learn how to specifying multiple criteria. Step number 1, select the table in the query, that is in result. Means we are going to give the criteria on result table. Step number 2, type two criteria on the same line, that is greater than 50. Okay, marks greater than 50. And second one is pass. Here only one record will be displayed whose both criteria will be met. It is called AND condition. It is called AND condition. There both condition will must be specified. Now let's learn creating a query in a query wizard. Follow these steps to create a query in query wizard. Click on the query wizard button. It is present on the query group. Now a new query wizard dialog box will appear. Ensure that simple query wizard option is selected. Now click on the OK button. Here simple query wizard is selected. Here you can see. Now we have to click on the OK button. A simple query wizard screen appears. Here you can see the screen appears. Select the table that contains the data from the table or query list box. Here we having table or query list box. From there you have to select the table. Now after selecting, here we having table, so select the table on which you have to ask a question and click on the single forward sign to send your table from this side. Now select the field get shifted. Now number 7, after selecting the field, click on the next button. Step number 8, a new screen appears. Enter new title. Ensure that the open the query to view information radio button is selected. Step number 9, click on the finish button. A query result will appear in the data sheet view. So you can ask the query using this query wizard also. Now let's learn about the forms. A form looks very similar to fill in the blank sheet that is filled by hand, like your admission form. Okay, so a form can be considered as a way to enter the data into the database. Access links a form to a table, means whatever the data you are entering. Suppose you have to enter your name, your roll number and your result. So in a table we having also these three same field. So the entered information in a form is stored in a table. If record in a form changes, the applied changes will be reflected in the table also. There are three views to display a form: form view, design view and logged view. Click on the view in a view group
and background
of the design tab to switch between the view. If you want to change the view, then you have to go to the design tab, and on design tab we having different view. Form view.
from
It
the
is used to
list.
enter or edit data. Form
Right-click
view
on the
is
chart
used to
area
enter
and
or
select
edit
Format
data.
Chart
Design
area
view.
option.
It gives the
format
detailed view
chart
of the
area
form. In this
dialog
view, a
box
form
will
is displayed
appear.
in
Here
the
you can
three
see.
section: form
Click
header,
on the field line
details,
icon.
and form footer.
Select the field border, color, and other desired options.
Display the three section:
you
form
can
header,
Choose field
details,
line
and form
option
footer.
and select
Layout
field border
view.
color.
It is used
Step
to
number
change
3,
the form
click
design,
on the effect
appearance,
icon.
size
Select
of the
desired
various
effect.
controls. The form is actually running when it
Step
is
number
displaying
4,
on the layout
click on the
view.
size
So it is
and
used to change the
properties icon.
it means it is used to formatting or
Select
designing a
the
form.
size,
Now let's
position,
learn creating a
and
form.
ultimate
So let's
text
learn how
of
to
your
create a
choice.
form. Step number 1, click on the create
video
tab.
files.
Everything you want to create, you have to go to the
PowerPoint
create tab.
allows us
Now
to
step
insert
number 2,
sound
click on
and
the
music
form button
to a
and it is
slide.
present on the
A
form
sound
group.
can be recorded and
Step
added
number
to
3, a form
presentation.
is
Like
created
here,
and
I am
open
recording my
in
sound
layout
in a
view.
presentation
It is a
and
layout
creating
view.
a video.
3 new tabs
All
are
these
shown
features make
shown
a
on the ribbon:
presentation
design,
more
arrange,
informative
and format.
presentable.
As soon as you click on the form, 3 tabs will
Adding
create
a
it.
video.
Now click on the
let's
home
learn
tab.
how to add a video to your
Click on the view
presentation.
button
So
and
follow
select
these steps
form view
to add a
option
video
from
to a
the display
presentation.
options.
So go to
You
the
have to go to the
Insert
form
tab.
view option.
Click on the video button. It is on media
Now
group.
you can enter or edit
Go
data.
to the insert tab and click on the video button. It is on media
Number
group.
7, click on the save
drop-down
option
menu
in
will
the quick
appear.
access
Now
toolbar
select
to save
video
your
on my PC
work.
option and
You have to
insert
click on the
video
save button.
dialog box
A
will
form
appear
objects
on
get
the
added
screen.
in the navigation pane.
Now
Here you can
select
see
the
at the bottom
desired
line we
video
having
file
navigation
and
pane.
click
Now let's
on
learn
the insert
formatting a
button.
form. Form can be formatted using the options available on the
format
design
and
tab and format
playback
tab.
tabs will
We can format our form using the design
you
tab.
can format
So let's learn
and
using a design
insert
tab.
video by clicking on
Step
the
number 1.
format tab.
Let's learn to
Click
design
on the play
form.
button.
Step number 1. Click on the theme button
Now let's
in the
learn about animation.
theme group.
The ability to move object,
Select the
text
theme
and
from the
charts
drop
on
down
the slide
menu.
is called animation.
Click on the title in the header and
Using
footer
animation,
group.
multiple pages can be displayed.
Enter the
rapidly
desired
in a
title or the
sequence.
title you want to
Means
display on
the
your
screen
form.
we can show many
Click on the logo in the
objects,
header and
such
footer
that
group.
the images appears to be in
An insert
motion.
picture dialog box
Now
will
let's
appear.
learn
Here you
about
can add a
different
picture as a
categories of
logo. Select the
animation
picture
effects.
and click on the open button.
Entrance. The effect decides the manner in which an
Click
object
on the date
will
and time
enter
button
on the
in the header and footer
enters a
group.
slide during the slideshow.
A
Means
date
it
and time
determines
dialog box
how
will
it will
appears.
It makes the
Here you can see it is a
object
date and
focus,
time dialog
fade,
box.
etc.
Select the required format
Means during the
and
slideshow,
click on the
how it will
OK button.
appear.
Means we having
Emphasis.
different formats:
This effect
date and
make an
D,
object
T and
shrink, grow in size,
now
change
formatting
color, etc.
form using
Means
format tab.
during the
So
slideshow,
let's learn
the
how to
video will
format a form
grow, etc.
using a format tab.
This effect
Step number
control
1,
the
click on
manner
the background image.
in which
Here
an
you can
object
add the background image
will exist from the
in
slide
the
during
background
the slideshow.
group.
Means how it will
Step
exist.
number
The
2,
effect
click
will
on the browse button
decide
displayed.
motion
An
path.
insert picture dialog box will appear.
effect
Now select the
makes
picture
an
and click
object
on the
move
open
up or
button.
down,
Reports.
left or right.
A report is
etc.
an effective
Just
way
using
to
this
present
effect
a data
button,
in a printed
move the
format.
animation in
For
zero
example,
direction.
your result. Your
Step
report card
number 2.
is also called
Follow this
report
step
because
to
your
apply
marks will
and
enter in the
insert
tabular
step
format.
number 1.
Okay, they are in the
Select
table.
object to be
So,
added and
there we are
insert
also
chart box.
creating
Number
a reports
two,
to
click
display
on
the data.
Animation tab, which
There are
display
4 views
various
in which
charts.
reports
Step
can
number
be
3,
displayed. A
Add
report view,
from
print
advanced
preview,
animations, template,
layout
MS,
view,
PowerPoint. Step
design
number 4,
view.
click on
Now
the
let's
desired
learn about
animation chart
them.
from various
Report view.
groups. From
This
MS
view is
Excel
used to view the
document.
data of the
Step
report,
number
but
the specified
modification cannot be made
innovation
in this
and
view.
delay
So here
button.
we can
Now
view
click
only,
on
we can
the
see the
group
data,
cell
we cannot do any
insert
changes.
chart specified
Print
timeline
preview.
to change
This view allow you
Excel document
to
shows
see
the
how the
set of
report will
data
be looked
applied
after
in
printing.
Excel sheet.
Means it is like a
Examining
print
sample
preview.
data.
It is just
Now click
give the
on
view how it will
slides
display.
transition.
Layout
The
view.
way
This view
closer
can be
one
used to
slide
edit the
follows
data,
the other on
edit the
screen.
design
By
of a
chart is
report. It is
inserted
actually
means
show how the
slide
report will
appear
appear
on the screen
to the
but slide will
user.
exit from the screen.
So here you can change
As
the
on
design
the
and you can
design.
do the
So
formatting.
let's learn it.
Design
It is
view.
how to lay out,
This
apply
view
the
shows the
styles
structure of report
charts.
which
Select
can
the
be
slide
modified
from
and
to which
customized.
the
Means
transition
here we
button
can
is to
create,
be
we can
applied.
design our report.
Editing. So
A report
here you
can
have to
be
select the
formatted
slide.
using
Follow
the
the
different
step number
options
two. Click on the
available on
transition
design
tab
and format
in the
tab.
transition.
Like in
Select
Word
the
and
desired
Excel, we can
transition.
format it
Step
using
number
the
one,
design and
select the
format
chart
tabs. Now
slide.
let's learn
The
creating
design
a
tab, we have
report.
numbers of styles
So to
and
create
of
a report,
transition.
select the
You
table
can
or
also
query
the edit
on which you
data
want to
button
create a
transition
report.
slide the data
Okay,
group
so
on the
first you have to select the
drop down. Here
table
you can
or a
edit
query
your
on
data.
which you want to
Spreadsheet
create a
containing
report.
the data timing
Step number
options
1,
on.
click
Select
on the
sound
create
of
tab.
your choice.
To
The
create
data in
everything,
a
we have to click on the create tab.
Step
Now click
number
on the
one,
report
spreadsheet.
button
You
in the
can
report
specify
group.
the duration of transition.
A report
The
is
duration group.
created and
Sorry, the
all the
duration
fields of
box
selected
of the
table
timing
are placed
group.
on the
Here
report.
you can mention
So here
the
we having
duration.
only 3 fields.
Step
So 3
number
fields
6,
are
to apply
created.
the transition
Click on
group
the
slide,
save option on the quick
on
access
apply
toolbar to
to
save
all
the report.
button present in
A
the
report object
group.
get added
Step number
in the
7,
navigation pane.
select how to advance a slide. Select
Now
on
let's
mouse
learn
click
print a
or
report.
after
So let's learn
preview.
how to print a
options
report.
from advanced
Step
slide.
number 1, click on
You
the file
can
tab.
advance a slide
Step number 2,
automatically
click on
after
the
few
print option.
seconds.
Now let's
Step number
learn
8,
exporting
to
a
preview
report.
a transition of the
Follow
current
these
slide.
steps to export
Click
a
on the preview
report.
button.
Step
the
number 1,
preview
click
group
on the
of
view button
transition
in the
tab.
home tab.
So here we have completed
Step
our
number 2,
chapter.
select the print
Okay,
preview
students,
option
thank you.
from the
Bye-bye.
drop down list of options. A report will be opened in a print preview layout. It is a preview layout. Now step number 3, click on the drop down arrow of more buttons. It is on the data group of print preview tab. Select word and export RTF file dialog box appears. Give a specific name to the file. Here you can give the name. Now click on the OK button. An export RTF file dialog box appears. Click on the close button. So here your report is saved or exported in the Word format or Word file. So here we have completed our chapter. Please write down its notes. Okay students, thank you. Bye bye.